Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today is day 29 of our 30 days of JavaScript challenge and we have come to the last second video of our playlist of 30 days of JavaScript, and the question that we have today is array wrapper, which is an easy level question. And in this question what we need to do is we need to create a class that accepts an array of integer in its constructor, fine, and that constructor, that whatever array we are getting of integer, we can to perform two operations, means there will be two functions, and whenever one of the functions is being called we need to perform that operation accordingly. So the one instance of the class, what it will be doing, it will be adding the values together, or we can say all the values that are present in the array will be added up together and the value will be returned. And in the string function what will happen, let's say we have 1 2 3 as an array, so we need to return the string value of it, means we need to convert this array into string. That is it, means first what we have to do, we need to sum up all the values and we need to return the sum, and the second what we need to do, we need to convert our array into string. So let's see with an example. Now here what we have nums as an array, and we have two arrays here, 1 2 and 3 4. Actually what it is supposed to mean is that 1 2 is one array, and that is object 1, and the other one is object 2 3 4. So we need to return the sum of object 1 and object 2, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the basic thing that we will be doing is we will be finding the sum of elements in the array, and let's see the second example. Here what we have to do, here the operation that we were provided with was add, and here we have string, so simply we need to convert this array that we have into a string and we need to return it. That is it, that is what we are supposed to do. So for the first one, like we have two instances, right? For the first instance we need to find the sum of the elements in the array. The other one, what we are supposed to do, we need to convert the array into string. So for the first one what we will do, let's say we have this array, and in order to find the sum what we will be doing is we will be using reduce function. So if you haven't checked out my reduce function video, I'll mention the link in the below. You can get an overlook of what is a reduce function and you can move forward with it. So this reduce function, what we will do, we will use the array, means we will use this reduce function to find the sum of elements in the array. So how we will write, let's say we have a constructor, we have declared a constructor, and there we are getting we are declaring the nums. So we will get this dot nums is equals to nums. In our constructor the name of the variable passed is nums only. So to make it global, we will be using this variable, and now we can access this nums in any class instance. So what we will do, let's say we have array wrapper, dot something, and the other function name is, we have, let's say, sum. So in this what we are supposed to do, we need to return the sum once it is asked. So what we will do here, we have this dot nums as the array, so what here we will do, this dot nums dot reduce. Now this reduce function, it will take two variables as a parameter, and it will add both of them. So what we will do, I will do a comma b, and what I will return, a plus b. Now this function, like whatever we are trying to add up here, there is no initial value here. So if you will just return this, you will get an error that there is no initial value declared. So in order to give an initial value to this reduce function, what we will do, we will give a comma 0. This will be our initial value for the sum. So this will be returned. So we will return this dot nums dot reduce a comma b, a plus b. Now this is our sum. Now in order to continue with the string, what we will do, we will simply change the array into string. So we will use string and we will convert our array into string. Okay, and this nums that we will be getting, right? Now what will happen in this nums? It will be like each number. Okay, so now we are getting all the elements from the array, but there will not be bracket in it, and we need the bracket, right? Because it was mentioned the array should be returned as like this, right? 1 2 3. We need to have these brackets here. So what we will do here, before returning, I will add one bracket here before the nums array, and one bracket I will add after it, and I will return it. Now let's move on to the code editor and we will see how to do the question. Now let's see the code. Okay, so here we have a constructor. Okay, now what we will do here, we will assign that value to this dot nums. So we are declaring this dot nums is equals to nums. Now we are creating the instance of this class, right? This is array wrapper, and this prototype is creating like this is an object. Okay, so we are creating an object of array wrapper, and we are calling a function of it, and the name of the function will be value of. Okay, so now what we have to do here, we will return some of the elements of the array, right? So we will return this dot nums dot reduce. We will pass two values and we will return a plus b, and we need to have an initial value, therefore I will initialize it with 0. And same way here we are creating an instance. Okay, and we are calling the string function, means it will change the array into string. So for that what we will do, you can use template literal also here, it is your choice, there is no issue with that, everything is okay. Okay, so this dot nums, and we will close the brackets here. Now let's try to submit it. So the sample test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. So this code has been accepted. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments, and in case you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments too. And in order to continue with me in the coding journey and to join me in some of the upcoming coding journey, like coming playlists, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.